Welcome back. So it's time to see about half pyramid pattern. Just to revise, in previous videos we have seen square pattern, star pattern, and inverted star pattern. And in this video we are going to look over half pyramid pattern. So in previous videos what happened is we used to print the stars. Okay, so in this star pattern we used to print stars, but instead of stars in this type we have to print the numbers. Okay, and the numbers are in particular series. That is, on first line we have to print number 1, then on second line we have to print numbers 1 and 2, then similarly 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the pattern here is we don't have to print stars, we have to print numbers. So the outer loop will be same, just similar to star pattern, that is for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 4, and I plus plus. Okay, so I is less than equals to 4, that is 4 times we are traversing to the loop, and in the inside loop it is for int j equals to 1 till j less than equals to I and j plus plus. Okay, very similar to this, j equals to 1, j less than equals to I and j plus plus. Like if j equals to 1 तो एक ही बार ट्रैवर्स करेंगे इनसाइड लूप पे, ठीक है। एंड हियर 2 टाइम्स हमें प्रिंट करना है, कुछ भी प्रिंट करना हो, ठीक है। तो j इक्वल्स टू 2 होगा, तो लाइक j लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 2 तक ट्रैवर्स करेंगे, 2 बार ट्रैवर्स करेंगे, ठीक है। सिमिलरली फॉर दिस 1 2 3 टाइम्स एंड 4 टाइम्स। द चेंज हियर इज वी हैव टू प्रिंट j, ठीक है। हियर हम स्टार प्रिंट कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे हियर वी हैव टू प्रिंट j, ठीक है। j इज नथिंग बट द नंबर itself, like it is 1 here 2 times, so when it will be second time, then we will print 2 here. Okay, j equals to 1, j equals to 2, ठीक है। और उसके बाद एक empty line. We'll just see the code. So what we can name it, half pyramid, half pyramid dot java. Okay, and then main function, inside it will define the int n equals to 4. Okay, then the outer loop for int I equals to 1, I will be less than equals to 4 and I will be plus plus, and inside it we have one more loop for int j equals to 1 and j will go less than equals to I and j plus plus. Okay, and what we have to print, this is s out, but we will remove this ln because we want the numbers on same line, and we'll print j. Okay, and after this loop we have to print one empty line, so this is it, and we'll run this code. Okay, run java. Okay, so this is 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, and we have received our output. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.